If your AirAdvice for Home's M5200 monitor is showing an error code or you're not getting a report, don't worry. This guide will walk you through what each code means, why it happens, and the simple steps you can take. We've designed the M5200 to work independently and store your data safely, even when things aren't perfect. Our priority is to resolve issues quickly and remotely. Before diving into specific codes, here are the 4 essential first steps for any monitor issue. Step 1. Check your power source. Verify the cord is secure, the outlet is working, and any connected wall switch is on. Remember, a damaged or third-party cord might turn the monitor on, but still cause malfunctions. Step 2. Power cycle your monitor. Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Step 3. Confirm email settings and subscription status. Check your spam folder and verify the monitor's subscription and email in your contractor portal. And finally, Step 4. Testing comms system. Powering the monitor in a known location where it has worked before is a good way to understand a location-based issue with cellular versus a hardware issue. For instance, bring it back to the shop or test it at your home, and if it connects there, then the last appointment was a location-based issue. If it still doesn't connect at a known location, we know that there is an issue to explore. Please contact AirAdvice anytime cellular communication is a consistent issue. We may ask you to power the monitor overnight in order to investigate further. Sensor alerts. Your monitor is under warranty, so if you see a sensor alert, let us know. We will validate the alert for the sensor and help you with next steps to get it fixed. The most often occurs with equipment that is overdue for calibration, so remember to keep those monitors coming in on time when they need service.